Okay, in this video, we're going to go over more relationships that exist between line segments that are inscribed inside of a circle, and then finding the measure of the angles given the relationship of the arcs that are there and the chords themselves. So here's how we can do this. Here's a situation. We have two chords. We have chord B, D, and chord A, C. And the chords intersect inside the circle, but they do not intersect on the center point, okay? Can we find the angles of the intersections and the resulting angles that are made by those chords? And the answer is yes. Let me show you what the relationship is. So angle 1 will be equal to 1/2 the sum of the measure of the intercepted arcs. Okay, so here's angle 1. So immediately go out to its intercepted arc, and the intercepted arc is AB. And remember how you draw that. Plus the sum of the intercepted arc of the opposite, or the vertical angle, which is CD. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and figure out what that might be. Well, according to this, the intercepted arc AB is 40 degrees. So let's just say angle 1 is equal to 1/2 40 degrees plus CD, which is 100 degrees. That's going to be equal to 1/2 of 140 degrees. Angle 1, therefore, is equal to 70 degrees. Now, let's see what we can do with that. If angle 1 is 70 degrees, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 should be supplementary, right? Because there's a chord AC and it's a straight line. So 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 180 degrees. Since we already know that angle 1 is 70, let's do a substitution. And we can figure out by subtracting 70 from both sides that angle 2 is equal to 110 degrees. Now, let's find some more information from that. Angle 1, and let's mark a couple other angles in here too so that we can get this correct. We'll call that 1, 2, we'll call that angle 3, and we'll call that angle 4. You'll remember that vertical angles are equal, okay? So if angle 1 should be equal to angle 3, the relationship, because they're vertical angles. In the same way, angle 2 and angle 4 are also vertical angles. So let's go ahead and start substituting numbers in. We know that angle 1 is equal to 70, therefore angle 3 is equal to 70 degrees. We know that angle 2 and angle 4 are equal, and since angle 2 is equal to 110 degrees, angle 4 is equal to 110 degrees. Now, you'll remember that a circle has 360 degrees in it, right? So let's go ahead and see if we can add up all these particular angles and equal 360. That would be the check. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 should be equal to 360 degrees, which again is the circumference. And let's see if that's true. Angle 1 is 70. Angle 2 is 110. Angle 3 is 70. Angle 4 is 110. Will that be equal to 360? Let's check. 70, 110 is 180, plus another 180 is 360. And sure enough, it's equal to 360. Okay? So again, real briefly, when you have two chords that intersect not on the circle, not on the, center of the circle, the measure of the angle is equal to the sum of the intercepted arcs that are in that angle, okay? And then you can actually figure out the relationship of the others by using supplementary angles and the fact that a circle is 360 degrees. Okay, I hope that was helpful.